and allure as our participants bring these mythical beings to life on stage. Let's welcome our creative consultants and their mesmerizing costumes.
In the realm of Filipino mythology, amidst the boundless skies and the Texas, there exists a goddess of great significance and beauty, the Masarada, the gentle guardian of lives and protector of mothers to be. The Masarada, her name is reverence, embodies the sacred essence of maternal creation. As the gentle breeze caresses her palm, she embodies the very spirit of life's beginnings. Wrapped in the embrace of love, the Alexander bestows her blessings upon the expectant, guiding them through the journey of pregnancy with her tender touch and watchful gaze. Her presence, the years filled with a moment of tranquility and hope as she imparts strength and protection to those who seek her guidance.
benevolence. As the embodiment of fertility and abundance, I am often invoked to bless crops and ensure agricultural prosperity, symbolized by the golden wheat and cornfields that flourish under mutual gaze. Just as the cycle of planting, growth, and harvest mirrors the cycle of life and birth, my nurturing qualities resonate with the essence of motherhood, as I provide sustenance and care for my worshippers with the same devotion as a mother who cares for her children. My connection to labor and good deeds reflects a sense of responsibility and community care, akin to the tireless efforts of a mother in nurturing her family and community, like the hardworking caregivers whose emblem I proudly carry upon my head. I symbolize resilience, strength, and abundance in the face of adversity. The Carabaw's unwavering dedication to tasks mirrors their remarkable resilience and endurance of women during pregnancy and motherhood, as their bodies adapt to accommodate new life with unwavering commitment and love. In the tapestry of life, she is the thread that weaves together the bonds of community, the abundance of the harvest, and the nurturing spirit of motherhood. She is the Anata, embodying the timeless virtues of labor, harvest, and the boundless love of a mother's embrace. Strength. Life. Elegance. Compassion. Daughter of Madhala, sisters of Tala and Hanan, embodying the light in the darkness and striving for balance. Together, we rule the sky.
much like that tale, women lose a part of themselves in order to gain the path to motherhood. And although my light is dimmer than Apulaki's, do not let that soft glow fool you. It is a gentler light that does not blind, but instead illuminates the path for those who travel long and dark journeys. My domain encompasses bravery, guidance, and harmony among all things. Mothers, like myself, must be brave in birthing and raising their children while guiding them as they grow up in the hopes that they can achieve harmony once they are ready. Donning an elegant outfit of many layers and accessories, mine is a face of complexity and elegance while exuding quiet confidence. Let the darkness of the night come, for I, Mayani, will grant you light when you need it most.
goddess of faith and wisdom. Raindrops fall to the ground with the clouds sleeping saturated or filled with water droplets. Like lemons and rain, in many areas where water is not easily accessible, rain becomes a source of fresh water. Water is a master of adaptation. It takes the shape of this above anything, Kaiman is characteristic. As someone who has the freedom to become anyone she wants to be.